we verified our dyno's in good condition, our battery's in good shape, our speed pickup's in good shape, all the electrical requirements are met, and this dyno's ready to roll. Well, what did we actually just connect? All of these different modules, and we verified our wires are all proper. What is this whole system about? So, DynoWare RT electronics is the latest generation of hardware control electronics for Dynojet dynamometers. It affords high-speed data collection via this Ethernet port, as well as 2 inductive pickups, 2 digital RPM pickups, 4 Powersports CAN ports, 6 expansion ports for various accessories for the dyno, 4 optional analog inputs. On the back side, the retarder controller that we just connected connects through these ports here. The speed pickup connects through here. So all these modules, what do each of them do? The main box, this is the brains of the whole operation. This is where all the data is collected, it's processed, and logged together to then be displayed in WinPepe Data Center. The atmospheric device. This provides current atmospheric conditions for our operation today. So this measures humidity, temperature, and pressure to then be able to associate a corrected power back to what this vehicle will make at sea level. So up here at around 4,500 feet, where our atmospheric pressure is around 12.5, we've lost some horsepower coming up because there's less moles of oxygen in the actual air that we breathe up at this height. Also, the temperature on the day, or humidity. Humidity and temperature also have an effect on the horsepower that your engine can produce. This gray device here, found on 250 dynamometers, is the retarder controller. This modulates the electrical current to the retarder so that we may hold the speed of our drum at a specific speed or at an engine RPM. It also enhances tuning link operation by letting this retarder hold a specific RPM and start that steady state tuning session or loaded roll on for a road load profile. We also connected a pendant to the front of this main box. The pendant, loaded up on your pod here, is your interface for sampling, enabling load control with the yellow button, stopping the runs with the red button, or activating the brake. Also, altering your load control is done through the tab key in dyno control. So the pendant can also increase and decrease your load control set points as well. Next up, the air-fuel ratio module. Whether in onboard form on this 250i here or in standalone form, the air-fuel ratio monitor relays air-fuel ratio data from our sensors inside the exhaust or from our copper sample tube to the DynoWare RT main box. We then use this air-fuel ratio data to perform iterative calculations and tuning to make these bikes run better and optimize the burn inside the cylinders. Follow the wiring and installation instructions to verify you've routed all of the cables to your main box properly. That diagram and other literature can be found in the download section of dynojet.com.